Hello guys, good morning. Today's vlog, we are going to show you our spicy buffalo wings. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe our channel, Babelin's Vlog. So we are showing our cooking every day. Okay guys, so we are going to start our chicken. So we need to marinate first our chicken. The chicken is clean and we are going to marinate with calamansi. So now we are going to marinate with calamansi first. Yes, we need to add that one, calamansi, soya sauce. After that, oyster sauce. Okay, just a bit of oyster sauce. And garlic, chop of garlic. And the paprika, salt, pepper, and chicken seasoning. And then after that, we add the chili powder and the flour. Okay, so we're going to mix it now so they all absorb the ingredients to the chicken. So I'm using my hands. So using my hands, it's better so you can mix it all together. Look at that. So you may have to make it sure that your hands is clean. After that, you have to set aside and leave it for 2 hours or overnight. So now it's ready. So it's ready to fry because the 2 hours or overnight is already done. So now it's all going to fry. But anyway guys, so we are going to dip on the flour. But the flour, I add flour, chicken seasoning, paprika, chili powder, and white pepper. So if you have also, I can add also that one with garlic powder and onion powder. So it's the better taste before you fry. And then, sorry guys, I'm the one holding the camera and then holding the chicken. So I cannot show you correctly. But anyway, I can put my camera and then continue doing it. Okay guys, so now it's done, it's cooked. So we are going to put it in the plate with a paper towel. So look at that guys, the color, it's golden brown, it's very nice color, and then the smell so good. I'm tasting you guys. But anyway, it is true. It's so delicious that this one. And then after that, we are going to continue the second batch of our chicken. Yes. So that's it guys. And then the chicken is done it already. So very quick guys. It's very quick. So now we are going to start putting our pan so we can start doing our sauce. But before that, I need to get the rest of the chicken. Oh, look at that, so good, so nice. Look at that guys, very good, very good. Look at that, look at that. Oh, so yummy, it's so nice. Okay guys, so we are going to start our sauce. So we add butter, so just a little bit of butter, just 1/4 of that stick. Okay, add the garlic, the chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic, and then you have to make it mix and until it's golden brown before adding all the sauce, so to make it a little bit good smell of the garlic. Yeah, you have to mix. Yeah. Okay, so now it's start to add our ketchup. That's only the ketchup that I need to add. Okay, so I have a leftover of the chili spicy sauce. So I need to add it one. So I'm not going to waste that. And then I need to add another one. Okay. Yes, that's enough. And then you have to mix until it's getting better. That yes. Okay. Yeah, so you have to mix. Okay, so now we are going to start adding our white pepper. Okay, so we need to start adding our white pepper, add the paprika, add the chili powder, and then add the oyster sauce. Yeah, so just a bit of oyster sauce, and then mix it again, and then it's almost done. Yes, the chicken. The chicken now. It's very delicious, guys. Look at that. If you can smell, guys, wow. So good. Very nice. Yeah, so now it's done. This is done. We are going to add in our plate. Yeah. So mix. Okay, we are going to close the gas. And then we need to add to our plates. Okay, so now we are going to add to our plates. Yeah. Yeah, slowly. Look at that. So nice. So now we are going to add our plating, our garnish. So we put our garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. Look at that, guys. Very simple, but it's so delicious. Okay, so now we are going to start frying my onions. Okay, so now that's our onions, just frying it. Butter and onions, that's it. Yeah, for our side dish to our chicken, and then mix, and then that one, it's ready, guys. Okay, so now it's ready for our onions. That's the onions is very delicious. The onion is the white one. Yeah, so you have to mix. Okay, so now it's done. So we're going to put in our plates. Yeah, it's done, guys. So we add another oils because we are going to fry the hash brown of Bob. Yeah, so that's his hash brown. It's ready, guys. Very simple food. Very simple food in the house, but it's very delicious. The best homemade food. But anyway, guys, I have the leftover from yesterday, so I need to heat the beef with mushroom. So that's very delicious. But I cooked a lot yesterday, so I need to eat that one today. So I'm heating that. Okay, so after that, guys, the hash brown is done. So I need to cook my kangkong. Just saute the kangkong with garlic. I use the olive oil. Yeah, just a bit of olive oil. Just a very healthy food. All the leaves, you can do that one. Just saute with garlic and salt and pepper. Yeah, so that's salt and pepper. And then add any type of vegetables, the green leaves. Yeah, so that's one. That's salt. And then add that one. Just like that. It's very simple cooking of vegetables. You don't need a lot of spice. Just salt and pepper, olive oil, and leave it like that. Steam for a little bit. And it's ready. Now, so our beef steak with mushroom. So it's hot. So we need to transfer in. It's hot. It's hot. Oh, see? So you have to be careful while you are holding the pots. Oh my God. Okay, that's now. Oh, you look at that. It's good. Okay. So now the table is set up. So the lunch is almost ready. So now we open the kangkong. I think kangkong. I don't know what's the English of kangkong. I don't know. It's like a spinach. I think that's a spinach. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Look at that. Look at that, my kangkong. It's a very simple of cooking. But it's very healthy, guys. So now this one is ready and we need to transfer to our plates. Okay. Now it's ready. It's ready, guys. So now we are going to start our lunch. Yeah. Okay, now look at that. It's very just half cook. Just half cook. Okay, so now it's ready. So we're going to eat our lunch. Okay, now it's Bob is waiting for me. I said to Bob to have to eat ahead of me because his food is ready. But he said he's not going to eat without me. Oh, how so sweet. You're so sweet, Bob. But anyway, Bob, thank you. Yes, that's our lunch. Yeah. So we are going to start eating our lunch. Yeah, so Cindy. Yeah, see, he's stand up. Thumbs up. Okay, so that's our lunch for today's, guys. Okay, yeah, so let's eat. Look at that. Oh. Let's eat, guys. Okay, so anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe. Oh, that's so yummy. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Enjoy our lunch. Enjoying our lunch today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.